Welcome to Santa Ana Wheel. Established in 1958, we are the premier OEM wheel and rim distributor. We have one of the largest wheel and rim inventories on the West Coast. We supply high-quality OEM products to customers all around the world. With over 60 years of experience in the wheel and rim business, no one knows the industry better than us. Let Santa Ana Wheel work with you and allow us to provide the best service in the industry. We offer OEM wheels and rims, center caps, hubcaps, tires, and tire pressure monitoring systems. We offer new, used, and reconditioned OEM wheels from all major car manufacturers. In fact, we offer OEM wheels for 43 domestic and import vehicle brands. We do not sell third-party aftermarket wheels and rims. We also offer wheel straightening, reconditioning, powder coating, and PVD chrome plating. Our new wheels come directly from the factory and have not been mounted on an automobile before. All of our OEM wheels will come rated so you can learn about the condition of each wheel. Our reconditioned OEM wheels are refurbished according to original manufacturer's specifications. We guarantee our reconditioned wheels will match the color, finish, texture, and performance. Satisfaction is our number one priority. That is why we stand 100% behind all of our OEM products and services. Need to replace one wheel or all four? No problem. With over 30,000 wheels and rims in our warehouse, Santa Ana Wheel is the only place you need to visit. If we don't have it, it probably doesn't exist. You can order online 24 hours a day from your desktop, laptop, tablet, and smartphone by going over to santaanawheel.com. Simply select the make and model of the car, and all available OEM products will populate your screen. We have created OEM Wheel Shop, our online division, to bring you a more robust and comprehensive experience. If you know the wheel's holiday number, you can also type it in the search bar and all available wheels will populate the screen. You can also call us directly and speak with one of our highly trained wheel experts. You can choose expedited shipping or pick up in person at our Southern California warehouse.